do you actually ask who's the owner? Do you get them to define who is on the deed that would have to sign the listing agreement
Sure,
or
yeah,
authorize the spending of money if you're going to be bringing people in from the outside to get work done?
yes. Probably not at this stage of a conversation. At this stage of the conversation, I want them to show their hand. Once they've shown me their hand of, hey, we might sell, we might need this, we might need that, that's when I'm going to start digging into, do you guys have a copy of the will? Who are the other heirs? What's the will say? If there's not a will, then I know that other people are going to need to sign anything that happens. If there is a will, it's probably the executor that'll be the only signer. Again, don't say Bruce said only the executor signs if there's a will. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying it's more likely that it's just the executor signing on everybody else's behalf if there's a will. But I really don't get into that stuff until I've gotten them to reveal their intentions. Once they reveal their intentions, that's when I'm going to start delicately finding out who else is involved, what they think, whether they're going to need to sign, what gaps they have in their process, and then I'll advise accordingly.